Hi guys, welcome to Ask MBA. My name is Neha, and after a long timeline, there were so many things which were going on regarding exam updates, sessions, GDPI prep, which is going on. You all guys are getting different updates and calls. Keep checking your mailbox and hope that you're getting the best call from the best colleges which you guys deserve to be there. Okay. So guys, please make sure you're watching this video till end because here in this video, I'm gonna update you about the latest updates what are going on in and around if you guys are planning to get into the top business school this year itself. तो कौन कौन से कॉलेजेस के फॉर्म्स आउट हुए हैं, कौन से कॉलेजेस के फॉर्म्स भरने हैं, कौन से कॉलेज के फॉर्म नहीं भरने हैं, रिजल्ट्स के क्या सिनारियोज हैं, तो ये सारा अपडेट हम इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो मेक श्योर यू वाचिंग इट टिल एंड एंड मेक श्योर यू लाइक द वीडियो टू. ठीक है, let's quickly start. You guys can visit the official website which is askmba.in. You can directly just google it up. आपको सारे अपडेट्स यहाँ पे दिखाई देंगे. सबसे पहले एनमैट के शॉर्ट लिस्ट और वैट पीआई के राउंड्स will be starting by last week of January. All you have to do is tap on the link. It will directly direct you to the official website. So no more spams, no more incorrect information. The information which is valid and which is been there on the official website. Always trust the official website of different colleges when you want to log in anywhere or you want to get the information, चाहे वो मेल रहे या किसी भी चीज रहे, मेक श्योर दैट इट इज प्रोमिनेंट नॉट समथिंग एल्स. ठीक है. एनमैट का रिगार्डिंग ये अपडेट है. सीमैट के एडमिट कार्ड्स वुड बी रिलीज्ड ऑन 20th of Jan. The exam is on 25th of January. Snap results are already out. You'll be getting the calls soon. Keep checking your mailbox. ठीक है. इसके अलावा स्नैप के कौन से कॉलेजेस हैं, कट ऑफ्स है, फीस है, क्या आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, कौन से इंटरव्यू की तैयारी मुझे स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए, व्हेन शुड आई स्टार्ट, ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस इफ यू गाइस आर हैविंग इन द माइंड, make sure you comment in the comment box below so that we can answer it, and make sure that all the questions which you guys are commenting we'll be going live and we'll be answering those questions as we were doing it at 11 o'clock around, and discuss about all the questions which you guys have in your mind. ठीक है. इसके बाद जैट के रिस्पॉन्स शीट के बारे में, रिस्पॉन्स शीट इज आउट. देन देयर आर टॉप एमबीए कॉलेजेस थ्रू आईआईटी स्पेस, ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशंस हैव बीन अपडेटेड ओवर हियर. अभी रिसेंटली सीईटी का भी एग्जाम का रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्सटेंड हो चुका है. अगेन द लिंक इज बीन गिवन. इफ यू गाइस हैव स्टिल नॉट रजिस्टर्ड, यू कैन विजिट द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट एंड वहां जाके रजिस्टर कर लेना. ठीक है. Guys, we are at Vashi and at Thane at both the locations for offline coaching. If you guys are willing to start your GDPI prep, or if you guys are planning to start your CAT 25 prep, or if you're looking forward for crash courses batches for CET examination, make sure that you are reading the description box below. Ek like, subscribe karna and give a call. Let's connect. Let's talk about it. What is the best thing which you guys can get this year if you're planning to do MBA this year, or you're planning to take admissions into top business schools in this academic year, what are the best options? Or if you're planning to start, if you're a fresher and you're exploring the options, so when exactly you should be starting your CAT 25 prep and your other exams prep, you can always get in touch with us. Also, we have online batches and different products wherein you can self-study or self-analyze, and you can study on your own through the official website products which are being given on the website. So make sure you're visiting the website, and all the details have been mentioned over here regarding the different products. If you want to buy mocks or test series or any content related information regarding your preparation, whether it is GDPI or whether it is books, you can directly purchase it from the website. All the details have been given over here. If you have any doubts, make sure you call us. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and make sure you have a nice smile on your face and be positive. Thank you.